Hi guys, so to get started on this week's design I'm using some striping tape to section off my nail. I'm a bit short on time, so I'm going to paint half the section black, peel off the tape and then do the other section in white. Now certainly if you've got more time than me, you could do the entire nail white first, allow that to dry and then section off the part for the black. Next, using a small dotting tool in black and white, as you can see we're going to do these rows of dots. Lastly, using a black and white striper, we're going to do the lines, as you can see, on the sides of the nail here.